The Rack It 1000 kilogram shelving range. It's the strongest storage system around. And now you can add on Rack It Pro, the new flexible range of drawers and cabinets. Rack It Pro is designed to be compatible with the Rack It 1000 kilogram system, or to use standalone, to transform your current storage setup. Use your imagination and the options are endless. Combine cabinets and drawers stacked one above the other. Still need more storage? Add overhead cabinets and a pegboard for your tools. Mount your cabinets and drawers on caster wheels so you can move them to where you need them to get that all-important additional bench space. In fact, all Rack It Pro items have features that really set this range apart from the rest. Slimline aluminium handles, secure locks, movable shelves, smooth glide drawers. Whatever your space, Rack It Pro is the perfect investment for your garage, shed, or workshop. Rack It Pro. Storage built tough.